Hey everyone, I'm going to be using Screencast-O-Matic, the free website, to capture the screen recording, and then I'll be showing Canva.com. A lot of you already know about this resource, but it's mostly free online resource. You have to sign up for an account, but as soon as you do, you can access a lot of these templates. At the very top, as soon as you get to the Canva.com homepage, you can hover over the templates drop-down menu. And from that menu, you can see there are all kinds of different media you can create for social media, personal use, business, marketing. I'm going to pretend to, let's say, make a birthday invitation. So I can hover over invitation. And when I click on invitation, it shows me the most common types of invitations that Canva has people searching for. I'm going to go ahead and click on birthday, pretend to make a birthday invitation for a kid. When I click on birthday invitation, it gives me some common birthdays that people search for. I can also use the search function at the very top center of the web page to search for something more specifically. But when I scroll through birthday invitations, I can find one that looks like something I'd want to use. Let's say I'm making an invitation for a kid. I can find something kind of fun like this Liechtenstein looking thing. When I click on it, it opens up and then allows me to search based on the parameters of this specific invitation. So it shows me all of the other descriptive terms at the bottom. If I were to click on any of these, it would take me to similar types of invitations. But here I can click on use this template, and then it will pop up in the edit window. And here I can change anything about this that I want to. The position, the size, the font. I can change this to someone else's name. Obviously, I can change all of the text. I can also change the colors. Let's say Matt hates the color yellow. I can change these dots to something else like green. And then when I have it looking exactly like I want to, I can download it by clicking on the download icon in the top right hand corner and then paying for the download or downloading a free version with a watermark on it. Now, if I want to get around that just for personal use, obviously I wouldn't do this if I was using this professionally or publishing anything. But let's say I just want to send a quick email to some friends using this image. I can actually use the snipping tool on my computer. And I have that at the bottom of my icons. It's something I access pretty frequently. So what I'll first do is make this full screen to get the best quality that I can. And then from here, I'll hit my Windows icon and select the snipping tool from my bottom menu. I'll click the new snip option. And then from here, everything on my screen now, I can select from that whatever I want. And then I can copy this image now. I'll close out of this window. I don't need to save changes. And then from here, I'll exit out of full screen mode and then open up anything like Paint or Publisher or whatever I want to use. I can also just paste this image into an email, but for now, if I open up Paint and then just Control V, I have my birthday invitation there now I can use. So that's just a quick, easy cheat to kind of get around the watermark if you just want to send this to family and friends.